Beautiful. Are you? When the coffee's ready, do you want hazelnut or caramel?
The special.
Okay, I was just making sure.
How come my hair look good here and not at home? Because our water sucks at home.
Oh my gosh. It's not the water.
Really? What is it? I use the same exact products.
The circulation.
Yeah. Alright. It is Monday, July 22nd, and it is about 7:55. I originally woke up at 6 a.m. because it was 6:07 because I heard the garbage truck, but I was smart and I went back to sleep because I was trying to be awake, but you know when you're like trying to be awake but your eyes are just like that? That's what was happening. I can already tell that I'm like looking tan because I don't look as white and my nose doesn't look too bad. So I think my parents are making breakfast and Joe made coffee. I'm excited to have some of that. I'm gonna insert this clip in the vlog because I forgot to mention it yesterday, but while we were on the beach at night, we saw a gender reveal, which is interesting, and the couple was having a boy. They sprayed silly string on the beach, but then when we were walking home, we saw a dog that had escaped from a golf cart running down the center of the road, and it was like dark and there were cars coming and it was just like chaos. Like there were people, the people in the golf cart were like flooring it, and then Joe ran and then some other guy ran and there were just people like running in the street and they got the dog, but it was just like wow. So a very positive and a very negative experience, but whew, yeah, that was anxiety provoking.
Okay, well yesterday's weather's gonna be hard to beat, but as long as we don't have lightning and thunderstorms,
Yeah.
I'll be okay.
You're talking about that.
Are you recording yourself playing Sims?
Yes. Don't you understand anything about this life?
Clearly.
Thanks, bud.
Wow. Hey, do you like the sandwich?
Pancakes!
So it is making pancakes. Pancake station. Wow, you got all the things. Oh, there's Sam. Regular pancakes, mini chocolate chips, blueberries, which is a recent favorite of mine, even when you do a mix. Bathing suit choice for today is this one piece. I've got some shorts on. Feeling pretty cute. Gonna wear my hair down. So we're headed to the beach. It's 11 o'clock. I just edited and scheduled a video because I imported some footage and then it said that the camera was missing or whatever. So there was like corrupted footage. So now I'm like scared that the vlog footage is gonna get messed up. So I'm kind of like editing as I go to make sure that nothing happens before I delete it from the memory card. Let me see, Joby. You ready? Is there anything we need to grab? Are the water bottles filled up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Filled up enough at least. We can always come come back. It's another gorgeous day, like nice, lightly cloudy, but really blue skies. Looks super pretty. We're at the beach. Everyone has said that it is brown with lots of fish. I hope you can even see me or hear me. But let's go see Fitchy. Is it really fishy?
Yes. That black
Fresh Fitch?
fish.
Sid is saving the fish.
Happy Destin. I don't know. Happy Destin.
It's lunchtime now, just having a grilled ham and cheese. I don't want to make it too grilled, but so I don't know how much the cheese is actually going to melt. Did the cheese melt when you guys made yours?
Sort of.
It was kind of like warmy cheese. Or we just share a plate, is that
Yeah. That's cool with me. Me before the beach, me after the beach.
Oh my gosh. That's good.
Which way did you cut them? In half? Or, well, I guess both ways are in half, but not a diagonal?
Always are in half and you're cutting it in 2 equal parts.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
This is Herman's last time being together.
Being a
We
fully
love-
formed watermelon.
We love Herman the Jubilee watermelon. Stay tuned for if he's good or not.
The deconstruction of Herman.
Oh, this is gonna make a really good sound, I hope.
You gotta like peel it out. That was satisfying.
Dang.
Wow, she's got big seeds.
Look at those big giant seeds.
Man, you can smell it from here.
Right.
Oh,
I know,
it's
it's like-
there. It just hits you.
It's like
Yeah.
straight
Fragrant.
water.
Here's Z going in for the first taste.
Ooh, she's really sweet.
Ice cream break. Hey, what'd you get?
Oh, the SpongeBob.
Oh my gosh.
So scared.
Ooh, that looks good.
That's like horror movies.
What's that, Jenna? Cotton candy? That looks good. We are going to do a banana boat, which is going to be really fun. You're going, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We need to reapply sunscreen. But we're going to take the GoPro, so hopefully we can get some good footage from that. I'm really excited about it. It's going to be wild.
Let's go! Here we go! Oh, here we go! Hold on! Oh! Oh, we're winning! Yeah, get Lindsay. Oh man. I saw that turn coming. I'm like, this is sharp. We're going. That was good. That brings me back to the whitewater rafting center. Flipping out. Oh no, turn! Big turn! Big turn! Oh, big turn! Oh man! This is very difficult one-handed. Must record!
More flashbacks.
More flashbacks!
Sam's got PTSD.
Oh.
Just pretend you're right at the horse. My leg.
You're on the ball! Oh, I'm sinking!
Is it raining?
I think so! It's a Hurricane Matthew!
Holy shit, my hand hurts.
Your hands! Talk about my hand!
Oh, you're not even holding on to the boat.
No, I got one hand! I can't see! Oh, turn! Brace! Brace! Got launched! Oh, I knew that was coming. Big turn! Oh, turn! Hold on for the turn! Oh, turn! Hold on! Hold on tight! Oh, right in the mouth.
I'm glad I didn't go on the front.
Oh, turn! Hold on!
My glasses.
We're going to. They're underneath me somewhere. Oh.
Still shaking.
My hand is shaking. We just came back from the banana boat, and that was an experience. I don't know how much of the GoPro footage I'll be able to include, but I think just the audio itself
It's incredible.
is hilarious. But yeah, that was freaking intense. Joe didn't fall off, but Lindsay, Sam, and Zach all completely fell off. Sam and Zach lost their glasses. Sam's like regular reading glasses, seeing glasses. Zach lost his sunglasses. I like fell off, but I was still holding on, so I was able to get back on, and then I slipped another time. Like my hand is just like shaking. I don't know how Joe stayed on the whole time, because I don't think you even like half slid off. Did you?
Never into the water, but I slid on the raft a little bit when Sam and Zach really went down and lost their stuff.
Yeah.
I was like in the middle of the raft. That's when we collided.
Yeah, that's right. What do you all think of that?
That was a lot. It was really fun, but like not what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting for the boat to be pulled out from under you, which is exactly like how it would have gone.
Yeah.
Like when he whipped you, like we'll have to draw a diagram and show it because it's easier to be able to like.
Because he would basically create slack in the line and then like turn himself around on the jet ski and then like floor it so that it would pretty much turn the banana boat like in a 90-degree or like 180-degree angle. So you just like go completely sideways.
So literally the boat is pulled out from under you. There's no way, like you hold on, but
it's like,
the boat's like going.
When we first had when we did the first intense turn, Sam and Lindsay fell off and they were like tangled up. Like Sam's leg was like intermixed with Lindsay's arm. They had no idea what had just happened. They were like,
yeah. You're like not only like in the water, you're like under the water.
Yeah.
Like,
so that was really intense. I mean, an interesting experience, but I would not go that fast again. You would? It just makes me nervous, like thinking about the possibilities of people getting hurt and losing things like Sam's glasses. I felt really bad about that.
Yeah, that's just a big like. So moral of the story: don't wear anything that can even possibly fall off on a banana boat.
That you care about.
We're just chilling now. I'm trying to like decompress from that, and we're actually doing another fun activity. We're doing a beach bonfire at 7. It's like about 5:30 right now. And I know I'm gonna get ready. I don't know if I'm gonna like wash my hair since we're still gonna be out at the beach, but I have an outfit planned that hopefully is gonna be cute. So I'm excited about that. It has been an interesting day to say the least.
Faded in this dark and smoky room. Your face reflecting my green bright.
There they are doing kicks.
But don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah.
Oh, that would have been a tragedy.
Oh yeah, not another. We're not doing glasses and a camera today. Yeah, yesterday was a camera.
Yeah. Today's glasses.
Today's glasses.
Don't need another.
Don't need another catastrophe.
Oh no, I said I was gonna be low quality.
Low. You're gonna be low.
Yeah, 240x or whatever. Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna be at 540 or 720. You're not even gonna be up to 720, are you?
Like
Definitely not 1080p.
280.
1080p, 4K Ultra.
In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before